Hey guys, and welcome back to another video for you guys to watch. If you haven't already seen by the title, we are going to do one life hack for anything if you're hungry, and it's really simple. So yeah, all you're going to need is, I have 4 stuff, but I still need a little bit more. I'll tell you right now. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find it. Okay, sorry, I forgot. But this is what you're going to be needing. Some any really fruit you want, but I'm gonna use raspberries and blueberries. And then I'm going to be using this Made with Submission Stonyfield Organic Kids yogurt. And I'm just using them because that's only, well, I have other yogurts, but so you don't have to use these. You could use any other ones. Any kind of cruncher cereal if you don't want it, it's fine. Bowl and a spoon. And this is yogurt. So this is simple for me because I usually do it, and it's cool. So yeah. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is, you could probably get anything else because I have strawberries, but I really don't want to cut them. So yeah, you could get anything, like not like anything like, you know, like other stuff like fruits. So I am doing, so that is it. So yeah, so the first thing you're gonna do is wash these and these. I always wash them because you never know, they're dirty. So I put like the amount that I would want because I love blueberries. So yeah. So I'm gonna put barely a little bit because I don't want that much because it's sweet, really. Just like, I put like 8. So then close this up, and then you're gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'll be right back. Oh, you leave your wife, of course. Okay, now we're gonna wash them. So I think just a little bit. And just mix them around. Okay, that's it. I'll put that much water. You know. So this is how it should look clean and fresh. Then you are, because I was going to pop them out so you could get any other kind of bowl, because I'm going to put them on a plate, and then you're going to start putting your yogurt. And I'm also sorry I forgot to use these. I'm sweetened coconut bread. These are really good. If you don't need to, but I am. Mine is very simple. Like other people's, maybe simpler. But yes. This is like water, so then it gets to be like really good. I forgot to mix. Now I'm going to throw these away. Then the next thing you're going to do is plop in the strawberries and blueberries. And I'm going to use this first. Let's taste one. Okay, these are not sweetened. Sorry. I have to use that. We usually had another one. That's way better. We're definitely not going to use that. And these are some sprinkles. And I'm using the Raisin Bran of the cereal. So it has raisins and stuff. You can put as many stuff as well, but this is a simple one, so perfect. Put these away. Okay, let me put the strawberries with that because and there is blueberries. Okay, fine. Simple. Okay, so that is usually it. That is it for me, but sometimes I like putting some little other ingredients, but yeah, and you mix it. And then I use one more thing because this is too watery. That's like a milk, so I'm going to use this one and Giovanni. So I'm gonna plop that in. It's like the best. This is strawberry, yeah. And then you just mix it in. Just take out all the stuff. So that is it. Can I put a little bit more crumble on the top? Just a little bit, like this. Perfect. And a little raisin because I want raisins. Where's the raisins? Raisin. And that is it. I'll show you guys right now. There is a simpler one, but I do it like this. So, yeah. How it's supposed to look. Sorry. Oh, nice. Yeah. Looks so good. And ready to eat. So, let me tell you how it is really. I'm a little child. My best. So, thanks for watching. Also watch my other videos that I did at school. So yeah, bye. And also follow me on Musical.ly. This is called Savage Girl.Amory. Savage.Girl.Amory. Peace.